Hello, my dear students, grade 3. Our lesson today, 78. At the first, we will make a revision on division. Open your book, page number 65. Okay. Choose 5 of problems below to solve. Show your work in the box below the problem. We will choose 5 problems to solve them. The first one, 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5. That means what or 5 times what equals 40 from timetable. 5 times 8 equals 40. So 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Equals 8. We will choose this problem. 21 divided by 3. That means 3 times what equals 21. From timetable, 3 times 7 equals 21. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. This problem, 80 divided by 8. From timetable, 8 times what equals 80. 8 times 10. So 80 divided by 8 equals 10. Okay, another problem. 49 divided by 7 equals what? From timetable, 7 times what equals 49? 7 times 7. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. This problem, 22 divided by 2. From timetable, 2 times what equals 22? 2 times 11 equals 22. So 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Okay, back to our lesson today. Today we will study the relation between fractions and divisions and division. In fractions and division, we divide whole number into equal parts. Into equal parts. In fractions, if we have one whole pizza, we want divided it among 4 friends. So we divide it into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So 1 whole equal 4 fourths. Each part is called 4/4. Okay, in division, if we had this problem, if we have 25 candies and share them equally into 5 or with, if we have 25 candies and won't share them fairly among 5 friends, so the division problem 25, the division equation 25 divided by 5 equals what times 5 equals 25? 5 times 5 equals 25. So the result equals 5. We know that 1 whole equals 4 fourths. 1 whole equals 2 halves. 1 whole equals 3/3. 1 whole equals 5/5. We can write 5/5 as 5/5. as we take before. 1 whole and so on. 1 whole equals 6 sixes. 1 whole equals 10 tenths. And so on. So, in fractions and division, we divide whole number into equal parts. For example, if we have 8 candies, and we divide them into halves. Divide 8 candies into halves. Divide 8 candies into halves. So we can represent, we know that 1 whole equals 2 halves. Okay, each half has how many candies? Okay, we can distribute this 8 candies among 2 halves or 2 groups, this group and this group. Okay, divide 8 candies, 1 equally, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each half has 4 candies. Each half has 4 candies. We can write this problem in a division equation as 8. How many halves in whole? 2. But 8 divided 2 equals 4. What time is 2 equals 8? 4. Okay. Another example. Example number 2. What is 4th of 20? Okay, we know that whole equals 1 whole equals 4 fourths. Okay, if we have the 20 counters, okay, distribute them among 4 parts, 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So each 4th has how many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 counters. So what is 4th of 20? 4th of 20. 4th of 20 equals 5. We can write it as a division equation. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Open your book on lesson 78. Okay. Read and solve the following problems using your counters and fraction strips or circles. Draw a picture in the box to show your work. Then fill in the blank in the sentence at the bottom of the box. Letter A. Divide 8 counters into fourths. Okay, whole number equals how many? One whole number equals how many fourths? 4 fourths. 4 fourths. Okay, So if we have one whole divided into 4 fourths, how many counters we have? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I divide 8 counters into fourths, each fourth has how many counters? 2. Okay, we can write it as 8 divided by 4 equals 2. The second one, what is half of 16? Okay, half of 16, one whole equals 2 halves. Okay, 16, we will describe 16 among 2 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, how many counters? 1. In one half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I divide 16 counters into halves, each half has 8 counters. So we can write 16 divided by 2 equals 8. The third one, divide 24 counters into 8s. How many 8s in one whole? 8 eighths, okay. We can divide it into 8 eighths. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so if I divide 24 counters into eighths, each eighth has how many counters? 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. We can write 24 divided by 8 equals what? From timetable, 3 times 8 equals 24. So the result, 3. Okay, what is a third? What is a third of 21? Oh, so one whole equals how many thirds? 3 thirds. Okay, 1/3 equals how many counters? Of how many counters? Okay, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Each third has how many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I divide 21 counters into thirds, each third has 7 counters. We can write it as 21 divided by 3 equals what? 7. Okay, challenge. Write your own problem below. You may use any of your fraction strips or circles to help you. Write any problem you want. As example, what is the fifth of 15? We know that one whole, we can draw a rectangle. Okay, and divide it into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So each the fifth, we can write it as this, is the fifth of 15 equals 3. We can write 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Thank you.